Today I'm building an air filter for my workshop out of an old fan and some car air filters. So dust extraction on hobby grade tools isn't that great, but I really like to keep my lungs healthy. Recently I started wearing a mask all the time while I'm in the workshop, but I want to go a step further and making this air filter out of leftovers that I basically have flying around. Especially because it works really well. I've started with disassembling the whole thing, just to see what I'm working with and to make a plan and see what would be the best approach. I figured that the best idea would be to make a frame for the air filters to sit over the air intake for the fan. So I measured them out and started making the frame. I'm using just some leftovers that I had flying around, but you could use anything else. So basically anything you could build a frame out of. This little lip that held the dust filter was in a way, so I just cut it off with a Dremel, which was quite satisfying as well. The frame itself is held together with screws. This was just the quickest way to connect everything, because I didn't want it to spend a bunch of time on building that. So I built this project some time ago and yeah, let's just say I started to measure things twice. I also added this little brace here for the filters to sit on. There's gonna be this one and there's gonna be one on top to keep them securely in place. Now I screwed everything onto the fan to hold everything in place for now. And then I glued, but most importantly sealed everything with silicone. So usually these car filters are one way, they need to be put in the right way, but usually there are some arrows on the side of them that show the airflow. I'm securing everything with another piece of wood and then it's good to go. I mounted everything on the wall so it's on head height and I put it upside down so I can reach the buttons better. So I've been using this thing for quite a while now and it's been working great. I can't give you any scientific data to it, but as far as I can tell, it cleans the air very nicely and the filters are collecting a lot of dust. Thank you for watching.